Okay, it is Saturday, January 18th, 2020, and we got Vann here.
Hey everybody.
We're at the Country Inn and Suites in Fort Worth, Texas, and we got some air conditioners here. Got a Trane with some interesting fan blades. I've never seen any like this. Yeah, Comfortmaker in the middle. And then a 38 CKC right here. It's got a scroll compressor.
It's got a Copeland actually.
Oh, it does?
It's from 1998 and it's a 3-ton.
Alright, so 1998. 3-ton, there's the data, and this Comfortmaker. This Comfortmaker's from 2006. And it looks like it's, I can't see the tonnage, but it's got a Copeland scroll. And then, yeah, here's this 2010 Trane XR13 right here, which is rusting already. Yeah, it looks like an older Comfortmaker soft sound.
Big 2-ton. Could be efficient.
Yeah. 2006 2-ton for this soft sound. And one is running down here. Here's a Weather King right here. 2009, that's a 2-ton. Let's go take a look. This one's running. And looks like 2 of them are running. Got a Payne right here. $5-ton from 2014. And it does have a logo. And there's actually an open window right there, so hopefully it won't be busted. Nice scroll sound. And this is a Duro Guard.
This is a Duro Guard right here. The other one was a Weather King.
Yeah.
2009. It's also 2009.
Yeah, I've never seen a Duro Guard before.
This one has, looks like a replacement set of fan blades.
It's got a Copeland scroll. And the disconnect box is mounted on the side. 1998 2-ton.
These are actually in pretty good shape.
Here's another unit at the same place. Another older Trane XR, which has 2 blades, 2 swept fan blades.
Compressor.
Yeah.
2 swept wing fan blades.
Yeah, I've never seen one like an older one with these. 2008 5-ton. It's an XR13.
2008 5-ton.
Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, now we're at another hotel.
Frigidaire.
Yeah, we got American Standard right here, which is running. It's got some hack job there. And I think this might be a heat pump. No? It's in cooling mode. The air is cold. Alright, so it's a 2006 Allegiance 10. 72,000 BTU, so that's a 6-ton. And here's a Frigidaire right here, which is, yeah, 6-ton, 72,000 BTU. Got a Frigidaire. Yep, there's the logo. I don't see these too often, so that's neat. And then we got 2 Rheems or Weather Kings or something over there. And this has a Bristol compressor. Yeah, they're Weather Kings. It's from 2005. It's a 1.5 ton. And then another one right here. Another 2005, 1.5 ton. Let's see if we can get that. Bristol. Oh, there you go. I love the Rheems that have the Bristol compressors.
Yeah, they're pretty neat.
Yeah. Alright, here we have 2 York Stellar Series units right here. Back in these bushes. Alright, I'll get the data. And it's way down here.
Watch out, there's a geese crab right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can't. There's like smudges on there. I can't really see. The fan blades are spinning on this one just a tiny bit. This one is more legible.
Oh, interesting. This one has 4 fan blades.
1.5 ton, and without the York decoder I can't see, but it does have a G, so yeah, these are really nice units.
It's not the Stellar Plus, but it's just the Stellar. There's the disconnect boxes.
Oh.
Might be hard to get the compressor because it has 4 fan blades.
Got a couple more York Stellars right here.
It has a Bristol reciprocating compressor.
Yeah. Yeah, Bristol.
There's a good look at the Bristol logo on the compressor. There's a second one over there. 3 fan blades. And it is currently about 59 degrees out. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it is.
And actually, if these started up, I wouldn't really be surprised.
Yeah, this is much better weather than what we had yesterday.
For sure. Wait, I wasn't here.
1.5 ton. Again, I'm not sure what year it's
Pretty nice
from.
install. There's the line set. Goes right in, electrical whip, thermostat wire on top. Pretty neat.
Yeah. Alright, here's a big York Stellar, which is pretty rusty there.
And 2 American Standards. I'm not going to really film those.
Yeah. This one's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Emerson Copeland scroll, probably a new compressor, most likely. We got a couple American Standards. Oh, sweet.
I just missed the startup.
Yeah. It's a big American Standard. 2007, that's a 4 ton. It's got Climate Tough reciprocating compressor in there. And that one, let's see, might as well get the data. It's a 2009 72,000 B2 6 ton. So, yeah, it was really nice. And then this York, it's a 5 ton from the same year as those other ones. So, all right, so this is a Comfort Inn and Suites. We got some. They have Comfortmakers at the Comfort Inn. It's kind of funny. Yeah, straight cool unit with a Copeland scroll.
2013, and it's a 5 ton. Pretty good install, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 2013 5 ton. It's like a mini split right here.
There's also a mini split.
Daikin. Kind of weirdly installed. Looks like they just set it down on the ground.
Looks like a base model. It's weird. It's
Yeah.
not even bolted down.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, look, you can like move it. It's weird, and it is running right now.
Yeah, it's running.
Yeah, not the best install.
Drive and shut off the mirror.
Yeah, there's the data. And then here's a small Comfortmaker. Yeah, a small fat Comfortmaker.
And actually, I think the letters on the logo might be bigger. I'm not sure.
Yeah, you're right. That's a good observation there. And a P-tack just started up there. It sounds like.
Compressor.
Yeah.
Strictly. I like the fan blades on these. These are quiet. These are coffee cup.
Yeah. This one's also from 2013. It's a 3-ton. So. Yeah. Alright, so this is the last place in part 1 for me. Got some Rheem.
Those in really nice condition. Is that compressor frozen? No, I don't think so.
That was 14. And it's a 5-ton.
I'll get the data on one of these things.
I'll get the data on this one. Rheem from 2011. And it is a 1.5 ton. So. Alright. I guess over and out.